Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no sound issue on your Lenovo laptop, desktop, or tablet running Windows 11. If your speakers or headphones aren't producing any audio, follow these simple steps to get your sound working again. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Settings. Open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, click System from the menu on the left. On the right side of the window, select Sound. Under the Output section, locate the volume slider and make sure the volume is turned up. If you're using external speakers or headphones, make sure they're powered on and properly connected to your computer. Also, verify that the correct output device is selected under the Output section. If the wrong device is selected, simply choose the correct speakers or headphones from the list. If you're still not hearing any sound, scroll all the way down to the Advanced section. Click Output Devices Troubleshooter. Windows will automatically scan for common audio problems and attempt to fix them. Follow any on-screen instructions if they're displayed. Once the troubleshooting process is complete, test your audio again. If Windows found and fixed a problem, your sound should now be working normally. That's all there is to it. Your Lenovo laptop should now be playing audio correctly through your speakers or headphones.